How to find if someone has blocked you on Facebook. First of all, head over to your application Facebook and make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right. Head over to your profile. Now scroll down and right here tap on Find Friends. Now head over to the section of your friends. Right here search for the profile of the specific person, and if the profile doesn't show up here, it might be that the person has blocked you on Facebook. Now the next thing you want to do is go back and head over to your home page. Tap on the search icon at the top. Once again search for that specific account. Head over to people. Search for the profile of the person right here. If you can't find the profile of the person, means that they have blocked you on Facebook. The profile of the person won't be shown if they have blocked you. So that's it, and this is the simple way on how to find if someone has blocked you on Facebook. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.